Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. When the page loads, you are ready to begin managing your themes, a process that allows you to change the look and feel of your website effortlessly. As you arrive at the WordPress homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find a login option. Click on this login button to move forward into the account management area. After clicking the login button, the next step is to continue your sign in using your Google account. Look for the option labeled Continue with Google and click on it. This method of logging in offers a quick and secure solution by linking your existing Google identity with WordPress. When the screen displays available Google accounts, choose the one you prefer to use. If you have more than one account, simply select the correct account to ensure you are working within the right user environment. Once you have successfully logged in with your chosen Google account, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. Here, you can manage all aspects of your website settings, including the visual design. Focus on discovering the appearance section, which is often indicated clearly on your dashboard. When you click on appearance, you are taken to a dedicated area where you can access various customization options for your website's design. Within the appearance section, you will now navigate to the area that displays the themes available to you. Look for the section labeled My Themes. This area is designed to showcase all of the themes that you can potentially switch to. Rather than overwhelming you with raw data, this section usually presents each theme as a clickable preview image, providing a visual snapshot of what your website might look like once the theme is activated. With all the available themes neatly arranged before you, take a moment to browse the options to identify the one that best aligns with your design goals. When you have decided on a new theme, simply click on that particular theme. By clicking on it, WordPress provides you with further details and a preview display of that theme. This preview allows you to see even more of the theme's characteristics, so you can be confident that it will meet your design expectations. After reviewing the details of your chosen theme, move on to activating it. Within the theme's detail page, you will find an Activate button. Click on the Activate button to make the chosen theme the new active design for your website. This action will immediately replace your current theme with the new one, and you might notice a confirmation or a brief transition process, indicating that the change has been successful. By following these simple, clear instructions, you have effectively updated the look of your website within WordPress. This method is efficient whether you are a seasoned webmaster or a beginner exploring website design for the first time. Enjoy the fresh new aesthetic of your website, and feel free to explore additional customization options as you continue to grow your online presence.